Welcome to this new Fabricville tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to draft a skirt block with your measurements. It will be the starting point of making any skirt design you would like. First, let's take our measurements. We'll only need 4. The waist measurement, the hips measurement, the distance between the waist and the hips, and the skirt length, usually 60 centimeters. Now I need to do some calculations. First, I will add the ease to these measurements for the garment to be comfortable to wear. I add 3% of the waist measurement and 4% for the hips, and I divide these values by 2. Then I need to calculate the value of the darts. It will be the difference between the half hips and the half waist. I divide this value by 4. I can start to draft. First, I draw a rectangle. The width is the half of the hips measurement and the length is the skirt length. Then I divide this rectangle vertically in half. I draw a line parallel to the top width at the waist hips distance, and I draw vertical lines at the dart placements, 1/3 from the center front and 1/2 from the center back. The waist is thinner than the hips, and I calculated previously that I need to get rid of 4 times 3.25 centimeters. So I'll make 1 front and 1 back 3.25 centimeters darts and remove 3.25 centimeters from the lateral seams. Now I mark horizontal lines 2 centimeters below the top side of the rectangle because the waistline is slightly curved at the center front and back. To know the dart length, I mark horizontal lines at 1/3 of the waist hips line at the front and 1/2 of this waist hips line at the back. I draw the waist curve, the darts, then the lateral sides. I also need to shape the top of the dart so the curve will look smooth once the dart will be stitched. An easy way to do this is to transfer the dart and the waist curve on the piece of paper and to fold the dart, then arrange the curve. I finished drawing the top of the dart and I transfer it on the skirt block. The skirt block is done. Now I'm going to transfer it on pattern paper. I spaced the front and the back to be able to add seam allowances. No need to add seam allowance to the front because it will be cut in the fold of the fabric. Now I'm going to cut the skirt in practice fabric. I transfer all lines and markings on the fabric. I hand baste the darts to the right side to be able to correct them on fitting. I stitch the back pieces to the front at sides. Then I stitch the back from the hips to the bottom. I fit the skirt and I correct the pattern if needed. For example, here I'm making the front darts a little bit wider. Our skirt block tutorial is done. I hope this will be useful. Next time we'll see how to make a pretty skirt from it. Thanks for watching.